Hey guys, it's Yani here,
And Pablo.
we're back with another video. Today's video we're gonna be reacting again to Idol Philippines, and this contestant sang Wrecking Ball by Miley Cyrus.
Ouch. Wrecking Ball is a bit of a weird choice because now it's...
Well, actually, it's not weird because it's actually requiring a lot of vocal strength and vocal flexibility.
Yeah, but it's kind of like an
I came in like a rat.
oldish song now.
Well, the Through the Fire is oldish song too.
Okay, let's go.
If you wanna sing,
Okay,
just
if we
sing
wanna
it.
make
It doesn't matter.
excuses, I'm reacting to this.
I came in like a wrecking ball. My voice is wrecked too. So, by the way, guys, we said it so many times. It's our new favorite show on television, Filipino TV, because there's a lot of talented. And I don't know what to expect anymore with the Wrecking Ball song because artists could just easily switch it. They make it their own arrangement during the competition and audition. So I'm excited to see.
Maybe that's why, because I heard so many versions of this Wrecking Ball song. So you heard a lot of acoustic, a lot of things.
We don't know if she's gonna even make it into a ballad or R&B. I don't know. Instead of a pop version.
Maybe a hardcore rocks.
A hardcore rock. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment below, and everything. Follow us on social media as well. We have a Facebook account now and Instagram.
And a bank account too.
We have a bank account too, yes.
So we're dressed up as Filipino idols.
Yes,
Or
Fabio
Idol
has the blue color and I have the white color.
Hello po.
Oh, she looks so scared.
Hi! 28.
From Caloocan City.
She has a bubbly personality. Oh my gosh, I love her.
Just so excited.
Wow. Hi, James.
Hi, James.
Moira, and of course, my idol.
Aww.
What did you
She
say?
said she had bangs, but they took it away.
Oh my God, the nice level. Oh my God. Kailangan namin yung
This is
Oh my
hilarious.
god, her energy is beyond.
Please don't mess it up.
She has a contagious energy.
Yeah.
Basing on her voice already, speaking voice, I feel like she can belt. So I feel like this is the perfect song for her. Wrecking Ball.
Okay, ready ka na? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, go.
She's too excited. We come. Oh, she's doing the pop version.
Yeah.
We cloud, we chain our hearts in vain. We jump.
Oh my gosh, she switched right away.
I told you! She can. This is gonna be a good audition.
No.
Oh my
No,
god!
this is not what I was expecting.
This is gonna be a good
This is
audition. I'm so
not.
excited. Okay.
Because she was like all like that,
She
and then
is.
she was like, vroom.
Now we come. Oh my god! I can't wait for the chorus. Told you. I told you. James Rudy's so handsome. I feel like there's also emotion in her songs too, and
Yeah.
her singing and everything.
I just hope she doesn't throw all the energy like that, because that's gonna make
There's no more space to go up.
Yeah, let's see.
Look at, she's feeling the beat, she's feeling the song, she's like Casey. Chorus.
Oh!
Damn. She's a rock star. Ever with us. Wow, she's a powerhouse. Okay, we can't blame that she has a powerful voice.
Yeah.
We can't deny that. She is a powerhouse.
I love it.
I like the silent parts and I like the belting parts too. Hit it! I got goosebumps.
Wow.
I actually got goosebumps.
I am a bit scared for the critics now, because this
Why?
is a
What are they gonna
version
say?
that she put so much energy in it that made her sound a little bit imprecise at points.
That's why I said
points.
it's maybe a little bit flat. She's not hitting the certain notes, but
And the
what do I know?
And the breathing was
Yeah.
like you could hear it,
Yeah, I
and maybe
hear
it's
it.
something that you don't want.
Yeah.
Um,
I hear
but
it.
the performance was amazing.
It's
Like,
amazing.
it's crazy.
Her energy will carry it through. Well, we don't know what the judges
Yeah.
will say.
I
so
have
we'll
no
see.
idea. I hope they say yes.
I know. I hope so too.
You rake me. Ni-rake mo daw siya eh. Ba't ka naman pa-rake?
You are oozing with confidence.
She is.
Yeah.
And I like
It's like a monster.
Ang galing.
Thank you
Maganda yung
po.
version ng Wrecking Ball. Ang layo sa version ni
Miley Cyrus.
Aling Junicia. May version yan si Aling Junicia. Ginawa niya sa GGB. Birthday meetings. Kaya,
I can't translate that for you. I don't know.
Okay.
It's a different person.
kaysa kay Miley Cyrus.
Opo, nung January na.
Oh my gosh, she's what are you doing, best friends?
They're making best friends. Girl talk. Like, I'm married too. I got a ring.
Pwede po ba?
Kinasal ka?
Opo. I'm married.
Somebody put a ring on it.
Po niya. Gusto niyo po makita? Andyan? I can show siya.
Tawagin mo nga.
Baby!
Alam dito ah.
I want you to meet my husband.
Nasaan yung asawa mo?
Ito po.
Saan yung gwapo?
Pwede kang sumareno.
He's like, I think you said guapo.
Bagay kayo,
Yeah.
kayo makulit pala yan.
Sarap ng kasal, no?
Usually nung kinakakita ako ng bagong kasi naiingit ako, tapos kinikilig ako.
Oh, he said
Sa'yo
he's
hindi.
jealous when it's like when he's meet someone who just got married.
Joke lang, joke lang.
I love you, Vice.
Oh,
Proud na proud ka sa kanya.
this is fun.
Super po.
Let's
see it.
Ganun din ako sa asawa ko eh. Proud na proud ako sa lahat ng ginagawa.
Oh.
It's wonderful. You continue doing that.
Oh.
Shall we vote?
Yes,
Dun 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 dun.
I'd say yes.
Wow, holding hands.
So kahit anong mangyari okay lang
Oh, I'm
sa'yo,
so curious.
Okay. James?
It's yes.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Anong pwede niyong gawin para kiligin ako?
oh.
She's so cheeky.
Talaga kayo nakakakilig. Charos, hindi lang. Kinikilig ako sa inyo.
I think it's genius adding Vice Ganda into the show
Yeah.
because
Yes!
he has personality and
yeah.
he's funny. He's hilarious.
Idol City!
Wow!
It's true what you said because Vice
Yes.
is so big personality, and then Moira is so sweet.
Yes.
James is so quiet.
Subdued. Regine is a
And Regine
professional
is
singer.
Like
Yeah, she's
technique.
very technical. She's technique, and Vice sings too, but Vice is more like adding humor and
Yeah,
entertainment
yeah.
to it. And yeah,
I'm glad she passed. I'm curious to see other styles as well because
what?
I'm a bit scared if she cannot
I
contain
think
this
so.
energy. If they give her harder song to sing, that's gonna be trouble.
we saw it though in the song that she can be a little bit serious as well. Like in the beginning of the
Yeah.
song, she was feeling every single lyric. She's not just singing; she's actually
Yeah, she's feeling it.
feeling it.
I know. Yeah.
And that's what singers should do.
Beautiful show. Nice
I
talents
love
in the
it.
Philippines.
Thank you.
Yeah, in fact, you're in Canada. So you moved, they kicked you out.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next time.
Bye,
Bye
guys.
guys.